In this quick video, it's been a couple of weeks since I've got the rear seat delete built and installed. Now I've got a couple of accessories that I've added to it. Let's get into it and see what I've done. Alright, it's been a couple of weeks since I've had this in here, well, almost a month. I'm going to start putting some of the things back in because it's working well. I'm going to start with the tire plug kit. I'm going to stuff it right here behind the tire repair tools. I'm going to put the emergency rain gear in. Stand it up in the corner over here. Throw this little inverter in. Helps to have one around sometimes. I got this little cookie I'm going to put in. It's kind of a metal cookie. I use it to open the water port. A little flagging tape because, well, you never know. A little bit of electrical tape because it helps to have some. A few rags to keep the hands clean. Small pack of gloves. And some really important emergency gear. I've got some toilet paper. And I've got the mini E-tool from SOG for digging those oh crap trenches. Alright, and we're going to call that good. I got the latches in the other day. I used some sheet metal to clamp the latches to. They're simple compression latches. Work really well. I had to do that because I couldn't find any compression latches that would fit around the wood. They'd only fit into the sheet metal. So I just cut a bigger hole in the wood and slid those in and secured them in. Next thing I built is a rifle rack to go up top here. Alright. So for this rifle rack, basically, I have a couple of tabs that slot in the gap here. Throw it right over, right about in the center. Just like so. Then it's got a bracket. Basically it's an angle aluminum that screws on in the center to hold it in place. And it holds in there pretty secure. Suppose I could clamp that down, but the way it sits, it works pretty good. We'll see this season when I take it out. With the long rifles up here, I've got all this space down here available for backpacks, gear, snacks, the important part. So we don't have to have everything stacked on top of everything and have to dig the rifles out if we need them. And to solve the problem with grocery bags floating around, I've made some hooks out of some ABS that I have. I'm going to reach across here and undo this latch. And they simply slide over the back. And they're removable. Other things are going to be used. So they don't always have to be there sticking out all the way. But that'll capture grocery bags and keep them from sliding all over. It might twist and bend a little bit, but I think that'll work just fine, and especially for the first one. After these, I've got a few more ideas for a couple more things that might be handy. We'll see what I come up with, and I'll be sure to put that on film and put it out probably in a format similar to this. Thanks for watching Hags Overlanding. Remember to like, subscribe, and share.